Today, our little adventurers and their furry friends are in for a big surprise. The babies were playing in their colorful nursery when suddenly, a shimmering pink invitation appeared, inviting them to a magical pink world. With excited giggles, the babies and their pets set off on their journey. They arrived in a world where everything was pink. Can you believe it? The pink princess greeted them with a sparkling smile.
Welcome to our magical pink sea.
And the babies' eyes grew wide as they saw beautiful mermaids with pink tails. Wow, said one baby, pointing at the mermaids' shimmering scales. Another baby hugged their puppy, feeling a bit shy in this new magical world. At first, they weren't sure what to make of these new friends. But then, a playful mermaid splashed some water and everyone laughed. The babies' pets barked and meowed with joy, joining in the fun. Soon the babies were climbing onto the mermaids' backs for rides. Whee! They squealed as they glided through the pink waves. Pink fairies fluttered by, sprinkling magical pink dust. And look! Pink unicorns pranced along the shore. One brave baby reached out to pet a unicorn's soft mane. The unicorn nuzzled the baby's hand, making everyone smile. The pink princess joined in, welcoming everyone to her magical realm. As they played, the babies realized something important. Even though their new friends looked different, they all loved to play and have fun just the same. They splashed in the pink sea and built pink sandcastles together. The mermaids taught the babies how to blow bubbles underwater, and the babies showed the mermaids how to make silly faces. As the day came to an end, the babies waved goodbye to their new friends. They had learned that friendship comes in all colors and shapes, and that's what makes the world such a wonderful place. The babies and their pets returned home, tired but happy. They couldn't wait to tell everyone about their pink adventure.